Hey, welcome back to This Week in Content Marketing. I'm your host, Jon Lee. Let's get started with the top content marketing stories on this Friday, December 7th, 2018. Story number one. The Content Marketing Institute has opened up their big conference, Content Marketing World, for registration in September of 2019. Last year, the event was headlined by Tina Fey, and I really wish I could have gone, but I had a prior engagement. This is an 11-month early pre-opening, and I'm very curious to see how quickly it fills up. Story number two. Everything old is new again when it comes to content marketing, as Entrepreneur put out this article on the power of press kits in 2018. It's all cyclical, kids. Story number three. Mike laid off 113 employees before being acquired by Bustle. This is a direct result of the Facebook information about video and Mike attempting to pivot to video and now having to lay off over 100 people. So consequences, real world, and the digital marketing scene is not what it once was in media. Last but certainly not least, I want to add a new feature, which is my favorite piece of content I saw this week. This week, I want to talk about the Fall of a Titan podcast about the death of Steve McNair. Many of you might not be familiar with this story, but in 2009, Steve McNair was found in an apparent murder-suicide, and the case was closed in 4 days by the Tennessee police. Well, it turns out the real story might be more complicated, and over 7 episodes, Sports Illustrated has sent investigators to talk to his mom, his mentors, his college teammates, and the family of his alleged murderer, Jenny Kazemi. Really interesting, and if you like true crime podcasts like Serial, Crime Town, and S-Town, you will love it. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, like it, and leave a comment, and I will talk to you next Friday. Thanks for watching.